Attention IT pros! Want to make cyber threats a thing of the past? Stick around for 12 game-changing tips. First up, identify and prioritize your assets. Keep a detailed inventory of all critical systems and data. Next, conduct regular risk assessments. Evaluate vulnerabilities, threats, and their potential impact on your organization. Third, implement strong access controls. Utilize role-based access control and multi-factor authentication to secure your systems. Fourth, manage those patches. Regularly update and patch systems to address known vulnerabilities. Don't forget employee training. Educate your staff to recognize threats and run security awareness programs. Sixth, have an incident response plan. Make sure it's tested and ready to deploy when needed. Encrypt, encrypt, encrypt. Ensure sensitive data is encrypted both in storage and in transit. Eighth, keep an eye out with continuous monitoring. Monitor systems in real time for any suspicious activities. Vendor risk management is key. Ensure your third-party vendors comply with your security standards. 10th, compliance is non-negotiable. Follow cybersecurity standards and legal regulations without fail. Consider cyber insurance. It can help transfer certain risks and mitigate financial impacts. Lastly, prepare a disaster recovery and business continuity plan. Be ready to bounce back from any disruption. There you have it. 12 essential tips to fortify your cybersecurity. Stay safe out there and keep those systems secure.